Hello and welcome to the Taggart Law Library's tutorial on using the Lexis Digital Library. The Digital Library is a service provided by Lexis that allows users to access library materials digitally, anywhere, and at virtually any time. To access the Digital Library, we'll start from the Law Library Guide homepage, navigate to Library Databases, and scroll down to LexisNexis Digital Library. Alternatively, you can direct your browser directly to lexisdl.com/library/ONU or use the Lexis Digital Library app on your phone or tablet. Once you've entered that URL, you can click on sign in. Your sign in credentials for the digital library are the same as your ONU credentials. So you'll see the ONU single sign in page and log in that way. Once you're logged in, you will see your recently read books on your home page, as well as your annotations and any tags that you've created. You can also search for materials using the search bar or browse the library using Browse Library on the left. Under Browse, we have curated a few various collections, including the recently added items, law school success, study aids, and legal writing materials. Or you can scroll down to the bottom to see curated subject by subject list. If you find a book that you want to read, you can click the read button underneath or click on the title to open up a more detailed view. Here we'll go directly to read. If you have already started reading a book, it should synchronize your position and start exactly where you left off. Or you can go back and start from the beginning as well by removing that sync and restarting the book. Once you're in the book, there are a few things you can do to customize your experience. Under the settings menu, you can choose a color palette, so whether that's sepia, dark, or high contrast. You can also change the text scaling, font treatments, weight, column layout, all of that to make it more amenable to your reading. On the bottom pane, you can also print pages, so you can print selections of books if you want to have a physical version of the electronic material. There's a table of contents you can use to either search or browse to find items within the book, or you can do a full text search using the find button down at the bottom bar. You can see a list of all of your annotations you've created using the annotations button, or you can open the highlight menu here. This will give you color options for what you can use to highlight if you have a color coding system. You can also use the bookmark icon at the top to create bookmarks and the hamburger menu to change other settings as well. So here we will go ahead and we'll close the book and I will show you what the record looks like. From the record, you can browse and navigate directly in the table of contents. From here, you can read a description of the book, see details including ISBN, subjects, and any prior releases as well. So you can read prior editions of materials on the Lexis Digital Library. You can share a link with another student or with someone else. Note that they will have to have an ONU ID to actually log in and use the book. And you can also add tags to material. So here you can see we've already added this to our criminal exam prep tag. One of the other features I wanted to show is how to export annotations. So if you click on My Annotations, you will see the full list of annotations that you've created. Here we're going to look at all of my annotations from Understanding Criminal Law because I want to print these out. Can select all or select individual ones, and then from the Actions menu, choose Add to Export Queue. You'll see a green bar at the bottom confirming your choice, and then go to the Export Queue, select, and you can choose the manner in which you want to export. So whether that's through Google Drive, PDF, a CSV table, or copy it to a clipboard. Here I'm going to show a PDF export, and then that brings up a printable version where you can create kind of like flashcards or quick review materials where you have the highlighted text, any notes you've added, and where in the book it appears. These annotations will carry over from version to version. So if you create an annotation in a prior edition of the book, it will carry over once it's added as well. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you're able to take advantage of our resources in the Lexis Digital Library and all of our other library resources. Have a great day.